Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris again, and today we have a 2015 Kia Optima maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: menu, up and down, OK for enter. And keep in mind, this particular car maintenance system has been turned off completely so that they don't have a service required every time it needs service, which I think is bad. But anyway, if you have it turned on and you need to turn it off, this is how you're gonna do it. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. First, I'm gonna show you how to turn on the system, how to turn on and off the system. Just by me I have to turn on this car to show how to reset it. So I'm gonna show you the process of turning it on and off also. Okay, you're gonna have to use the menu button and go ahead and press on menu and click down until you find service. Okay on that. And as you can see, I turned it on already, but if it's off, for example, this is off right here. So if you turn it off, you're not gonna have a warning light every time you need a service, which I think is bad. So if you're gonna go ahead and turn it on, go ahead and scroll down to on and OK on that, and scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to here. Put the mileage you want. I'm doing it 5,000 now, so I'm gonna click the OK button until the number shows 5. Okay, when you get here, now scroll down until you get to the month. I'm gonna do 5 months because that's what the customer wants. Keep clicking OK until you get to the 5. Now click down to go back to back, enter, and that is it, guys. That is how you reset the service interval for this particular car. Now if you want to turn off, well, I already showed you that. Turn on, I already showed you that too. So make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.